Imagine walking through a street where every few steps you smell something different. Fresh bread, grilled meat, sweet cinnamon, roasted nuts, and spices you've probably never even heard of. That's Middle Eastern food. It's one of the oldest cuisines on Earth. Yet somehow, it still tastes modern. But why? The answer isn't just recipes, it's thousands of years of trade, science, and one ingredient that completely changed human history. Long before airplanes, the Middle East connected Asia, Africa, and Europe. Every merchant brought something new. Spices from India, rice from Persia, coffee from Ethiopia, sugar from Egypt, and together, they created one of the richest food cultures in history. For over 3,000 years, the region became the world's greatest food crossroads. Every civilization added something, and nothing was wasted. And that's why one simple shawarma contains flavors from half the world. But here's the real secret. Middle Eastern food doesn't rely on just one strong spice. Instead, it layers many mild spices together. Each one contributes something different. Some add warmth, some bring sweetness, some add citrus-like freshness, and others create a deep, smoky aroma. Your brain doesn't taste them one by one. It experiences them together, creating a flavor that's incredibly rich, yet perfectly balanced. Then comes the fire. When meat cooks over charcoal, natural sugars and proteins react together. Scientists call this the Maillard reaction. It's the same reaction that makes toasted bread. Fresh coffee can perfectly grilled steak taste so irresistible. For over 3,000 years, the region became the world's greatest food crossroads. Every civilization added something, and nothing was wasted. Even something as simple as hummus is carefully designed. Creamy chickpeas, nutty tahini, bright lemon, fresh garlic, and rich olive oil. Each ingredient balances the others, so no single flavor ever dominates. After rich spices and smoky grilling, Middle Eastern cuisine adds something completely different. Freshness, parsley, mint, cilantro, and dill. These herbs don't just add color, they contain natural aromatic oils that instantly make every bite feel lighter and brighter. That's why even a heavy meal never feels overwhelming. Every bite is refreshed before the next one begins. Another secret is yogurt. Many traditional recipes marinate meat for hours, sometimes even overnight. The natural acids in yogurt gently break down tough muscle fibers without drying the meat. The result? Meat that's incredibly tender, juicy, and packed with flavor all the way to the center. And perhaps the biggest secret, Middle Eastern food was never meant to be eaten alone. Every dish is designed to be shared, creamy, crunchy, fresh, smoky, tangy. Every plate complements the next. Instead of one perfect dish, you experience dozens of perfect combinations. Today, Middle Eastern food is enjoyed in almost every corner of the world, from small family kitchens to busy street markets to fine dining restaurants. Its flavors have crossed borders, languages, and generations. Because great food doesn't need translation, when ingredients are balanced, fresh, and cooked with care, people everywhere understand it. The real secret isn't a single spice or one famous recipe. It's balance. Rich meat, fresh herbs, bright lemon, healthy olive oil, warm bread, and spices that work together. Instead of competing with each other, thousands of years of history, trade, and tradition have shaped every bite into something unforgettable. That's why Middle Eastern food doesn't just satisfy your hunger, it tells a story. So the next time you enjoy a shawarma, a warm piece of pita, or a bowl of creamy hummus, remember, you're not just tasting delicious food, you're experiencing thousands of years of culture, innovation, and the science of flavor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Which country's food should we explore next? We'll see you in the next video.